Okay students, so today I am going to teach you class 4 social, that is lesson number 4. I think you have been studied up to lesson number 3. Now lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert. What is the lesson name? The Great Indian Desert. So you all know about our India, I think. See, this is a map of India. So what is why there is a Great Indian Desert? We'll say our country is a great country. Why? Because we also having a great desert. What is a desert actually? What is a desert? So desert where there is a less rainfall, high temperature with sand dunes, less vegetation. So compared to the other areas, something different, that is a desert. See here, where is this Great Indian Desert located in our India? Here, see, this is the India map here. We know that this is, which state is this one? Gujarat. Here is a place, Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch. So this great desert is located from Rann of Kutch to western part of Rajasthan, border of the Haryana. You all know this is the state of Rajasthan, biggest state in our India. So this great desert is located western part of Rajasthan. So this is the eastern part, this is the western part. So this desert is located western part of our India, that means western part of the Rajasthan. That is from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to western part of Rajasthan, occupies the border of the Haryana up to Punjab. Okay, this is the location of our the Great Desert. What is this name? Name of the desert? Thar Desert. Name of this desert is Thar Desert. So what is the desert? You understood, all of you? With a very less rainfall, that is scanty or less rainfall, high temperature. If there is no rainfall, that is high temperature, and totally soil also not much fertile. What do you mean by fertile? Healthy. Soil is not healthy. Why? Because no rainfall, no moisture in the soil. So that is a cause of the less rainfall and no fertility of the soil, less fertile soil. And here the what kind of the still qualities? High temperature, less rainfall. This is from the Rann of Kutch. Location is Rann of Kutch, western part of Rajasthan, border of Haryana. And here, so that is the name Thar Desert. Location of Thar Desert you all followed, I think. So what are the sand dunes? Sand dunes. I said the soil is, you know, you already studied about different kinds of soils. Red soil, that is black soil, laterite soil, like that. So here that is the quality of the soils. Quality of the soils. We divided the soils on the basis of quality and moisture levels. Okay, and fertility of the soil. So here this is completely sand soil. Sandy soil. So here in this Rajasthan, large heaps of sand will be gathered due to wind and no rainfall. So large heaps of sand and like mountain, like rocks will be gathered. That we call as the sand dunes. Sand dunes means a large heap of the sand. We'll see only sand. So what is the animal, that ship of the desert? You already studied in 3rd class, I think. What is the animal we call the ship of the desert? It is a camel. Camel is known as the ship of the desert, means which can move easily in a sand, because of what is that kind of food which having to the camel. Even its feet also having very just roughed feet, and it can run and move very fast even in a sand also. Can we walk fast in sand? No, but camel can walk because it's having the different kind of hipped feet. So that's why we call the ship of the desert. In the same way, so sand, completely soil is sandy, that we call as a sand dunes. But in some parts of the, in some parts of the this sandy area also we will find water. Underground stream water we'll see. Underground stream water means the water passes under of the sand also. Only some places wherever we will find the water, those we call as a oasis. What do we say? Oasis. Underground streams of water which passes under the sand we call as the oasis. So underground water streams known as oasis. So wherever they will find oasis in desert area, so some people maybe cultivate the lands, means only some kind of vegetation, some kind of plants we'll see.